What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, my dazzling decor where luxury is affordable. If you are new here, my name is Elizabeth and you can call me Liz. And if you are returning subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for always coming to watch another video. Alright guys, I hope your day and week is off to an amazing start. You are all doing great. In my state of North Carolina, our weather is warming up a little bit. It's a little cold today, but not too cold. Our weather is on and off. Last week we had like 74 degrees one of the days, so I'm trying to give the entryway early spring, just some soft touches here and there, you know. I'm also going to give this wall an upgrade. We are going to have some wall hangings all over here, and I'm excited to show you what I have done for this entryway. Just give you some ideas when you stay. It's warm, a little warm, that when you're ready to decorate for spring, you'll have some ideas to go along with it. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for always coming. And if you are new, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And guys, please hype this video. Please hype this video for me, okay? Thank you. Now let's get into it. All right, I'm going to do a light cleaning of the mirror, wipe console table, and mop the floor, and then we can begin with a clean slate to decorating.
But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams, 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 living in my dreams.
All right, I see new faces, and I just want to give a rundown of this channel. I share luxury home decor on a budget, seasonal decorating ideas, elegant and modern styling inspiration. So if you love decorating your home for every season but still want that high-end and timeless look without spending a fortune, you are absolutely in the right place. And if you enjoy it after the video, please consider subscribing, liking, comment, and share and hype this video. Okay, thank you. And now let's get started. I'm coming in now with the Zgallerie vase. When they are paired together, I love them so much paired together, which you will see shortly with some greenery stems.
I found my forever. You captured my soul like you've known me for years, back when love was a whisper. And
adding these white stems for the spring effect.
Up on your wings, well, I'll soar. You always lift me up in your arms, now and forevermore. So in love with you, and I'll always be forever.
I'm coming in now with this stack of decorative books for height.
So in love with you, and I'll always be forever. I
I scored this high-end bowl which I've added moss balls from Ross, and just looking at the bottom to see how much it costs, I think it was $16.99. It's such a steal, so beautiful. All right, these taper candle holders are also from Ross last year. And for more ambience, I'm still going to add some candle and a snuffer.
Now and forevermore. So in love with you, and I'll always be forever. Those seasons change, my love remains. So in love with you, and I'll always be forever. Those seasons change.
All right, this snuffer is, I think it's a cone snuffer. I can't find my regular one, so I'm using this for now. And this completes the console table area. Now let's move on to the entryway. I'm adding 2 more sconces for to the wall, just to make that area pop even more. With that 6, it looks beautiful. All right, now guys, let's hang those beautiful decor pieces on the wall. I scored this from Target about 3 or 4 years ago during Black Friday. I love them so much. They come in white and gold as well, and it was really for a steal. All right, I'll look for it and link it definitely if anybody is interested.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. So maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit different.
All right, coming in now with this bench. One of my vendors for our website store did this for me, for a review. But I'm not sure we're going to carry this. But I found one website that sells it, so I'll definitely link it if anybody is interested. All right, I'm styling it with this blanket and knot pillow from, I believe, Home Goods in Burlington. The blanket, hopefully it was from Burlington about 2 years ago.
Can make it grow, can make it grow.
Ooh. All right, this floor vase, yes, it's my favorite. I wanted a medium or small to pair them together, but it's been 2 years or even more and I still can't find any. But this is from the At Home store.
For me and you, 'cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way.
All right, it was a bit wobbly, so I'm adding these stones just for stability, okay?
It is time for something new, yeah. Gotta know.
All right, this basket is gorgeous and it's from Walmart.com. It comes in 2 and it's really big. I never anticipated that huge. It's big for me. It's really nice. I love it so much. And I'm adding candles to the wall sconces for more ambience and to create that soft welcoming glow. All right, lighting truly changes everything, and it comes and it makes the entryway feel warm, intentional, and beautifully put together.
I don't appreciate the change. Now there's nothing here for me. I gotta go, I'll fly away to a new space.
wanted a 2x3 rag, but this runner will do for the video for now.
Sometimes giving up can make it grow.
And that completes my small early entryway refresh, guys. I love how the gold accents, the magnolia flowers, the statement flower vase, and the wall hanging really elevated the space. Not talking about the wall sconces. I love how everything came up together while still keeping it calm and inviting. I hope this video inspires you and motivates you to also refresh your space and make it feel intentional and welcoming for the new season. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Remember, guys, you don't have to spend a lot to make your home feel luxurious. It's all in the details. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, hype, comment, and share. And until I come your way next time, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.
It's better than being stuck in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me.